Ready to transform your Fortnite character with awesome new skins, emotes, and the Battle Pass, all powered by your Apple gift card? First things first, let's add that gift card to your Apple ID. Launch the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. It's that blue icon with the in the middle. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, find the redeem gift card or code option and tap on it. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it. You can either manually enter the code from your gift card or use your device's camera to scan it. The camera option is usually faster and easier. Just point your camera at the gift card code. Once redeemed, your Apple ID balance will be updated with the amount from the gift card. You're now ready to spend it on Bucks. Open Fortnite on your iOS device and head to the Bucks purchase section. Choose the amount of Bucks you want to buy. When you go to pay, the purchase will be deducted from your Apple ID balance. Confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Congratulations! You've successfully used your Apple gift card to buy Bucks. Now you can unlock those sweet skins, emotes, and Battle Pass tiers. Enjoy your upgraded Fortnite experience.